Hey YouTube, we are at Rausch Creek. This is the monthly guided ride, and this is a blue monthly guided ride to be specific, and it is hosted by Offroad Consulting, and today we are the tail runner for the group. So please enjoy the footage of us at Rausch Creek.
Hey YouTube, we are on trail 18A, and it's a blue trail. This is a trail with pizza rock on it, so that's kind of like a big rock that's shaped like a pizza that people kind of jump up on. I don't know if I'm going to jump on it or not. It's been a long time since I've done pizza rock. We just do AOA mostly.
I'm not doing the black bypass.
Hey YouTube, so this is Pizza Rock right here. It is one of the obstacles on this trail, one of the well-known obstacles of Rausch. It's a very small obstacle. It's maybe a blue obstacle. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys where it is, what it is, and we will see you guys in a bit.
Anyone on the black part?
Hey YouTube, so we just got off trail 18A. The end of the trail, I don't know if you noticed, it was like really slippery, and everybody was saying that they were straddling it and stuff and like falling into the hole and stuff. So I just like went into the hole, like, because I knew that's where I was going to end up, and I'd rather be in the hole slowly than like fall into it like everybody else did. And so anyway, yeah, I would say that trail would be a lot easier if it was dry. that one spot there made the trail probably a lot more difficult than the rest of the trail. And it was a light blue. Yeah, there was one kind of spot that was kind of a pain because it was slippery, but I would say that like when it's dry, that trail would probably be really, really easy in comparison to when we did it. And that's a good point to point out. Usually trails are up like one level in difficulty when they're wet. Just a general thing.
Alright, fence moving, and the trail report.
Hey YouTube, so we are on 10A. It is basically the base of all these creeks, and there's different creeks in here. We're not actually in a creek, but you can tell that like there's water coming off the mountain. So I guess you could say it's a creek, but it's like a very small little, like more like a runoff, I would almost say. But that's where we are. It's muddy, it's kind of like clay, and there are some rocks out here, obviously. The rocks are not terribly large size, they're not like basketballs or anything like that. But it is like really kind of loose and wet, so yeah, it's fun. But that's kind of like the description of 10A and the kind of the general vicinity around it. Pretty flat, with like little kind of like you know, the start of inclines where the water's coming down. So we'll see you guys around the trail.